how to fix COD Mobile cannot create account. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could face this problem. You can simply go ahead and pause the video and check this out if you want to. The ways you can simply go ahead and solve this is going to be firstly checking your server status. You want to simply visit the official COD Mobile social media or down detector to see if the servers are up and running. You want to also make sure that you have a stable internet connection or mobile data and try switching networks or restarting your router. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxies, simply go ahead and disable those and make sure that your date and time settings are set to automatic. If you haven't already updated your game, simply go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version installed. And if it still doesn't work, you want to either simply go ahead and reinstall the game, or you could also simply go ahead and restart your device. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.